Hello guys, this is Chang from AC. Now I am going to solve a problem from the chapter multiple integrations. So here is our problem. So this problem asks us to integrate or double integrate this function cos of y minus x by y plus x of dA, and our limits is a domain. So this domain is a trapezoidal region with vertices 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 2 and 0, 1. So first we need to do is first we need to graph this function, this domain. So this is our x and y. So our first point is 1, 0. Second point is 2, 0. Third point is 0, 2, and fourth point is 0, 1. Let's join all these points. After joining this, we get our region of integration. So this is the trapezoidal region of integration. So in this region we need to integrate this function. So now by seeing this graph I can observe that this region is bounded of 4 lines. So this is our first line, which is x plus y is equals to 1. This is the second line, which is x plus y is equals to 2, and the other two lines are axes, which is x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. So we got our 4 lines where our integration region is bounded, which is x plus y is equals to 2, x plus y is equals to 1, x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0. So, but now directly solving this problem would be little problematic. As we can see, this function only looks really difficult to integrate. So now what should we do? We should do two small steps, which is y minus x, and we need to substitute this y minus x as u and y plus x as v. After substituting this, we can see it will be like cos of u by v, which will be so we took our y plus x as v. That means here y plus x is 1 and here y plus x is 2. That is y plus x is going from 1 to 2. That means we can understand that v is going from 1 to 2. Now we need to get u. Now how to get that? First we need to do is we need to get u and v in terms of x and y. Now how to do that? So first we need to add these functions. We get 2y as u plus v and y as 1 by 2 into u plus v. Similarly for x we get it as x is equals to 1 by 2 into v minus u. Now to get our limits we need to substitute x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0 in these both equations. So now by substituting them we get u is equals to minus v and u is equals to v. So now we got our limits of v and u. So here v is going from 1 to 2 and u is from minus v to v. Now let's turn this function in terms of u and v with limits of u and v. So 1 to 2 minus v to v cos of u by v du dv. And if here also we need to multiply this function with a factor called j. Now what is this j? So this j is basically called as Jacobian. J is called as Jacobian. Now what is this Jacobian? Jacobian is matrix determinant of partial differentiations of x and y in terms of u and v. So Jacobian is dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v. So this is our Jacobian. So our Jacobian is dou x, dou u, dou x, dou v, dou y, dou u, dou y, dou v. So this matrix determinant is called as Jacobian, and we need to multiply that with our integration. With our integration. Now, why should we do this? Let me explain. So, to do that, first let me graph the limits of u and v. So, the limits we found for u and v are v is from 1 to 2 and u is minus v to v. Now, graphing this, let's take this as, sorry, okay, yeah, v and u. Let's take this as v and let's take this as u. Now, v is going from 1 to 2. This is v. And u is going from minus v to v. So we know that y is equal to minus x is a graph something looks like this. Similarly for u is equal to minus v. And y is equal to x is a graph something looks like this. Similarly for u is equal to v. Now here u is going from minus v to v. So u is going from here to here. And in the limits where v is 1 and 2. That means u is going from here to here in this specific region. So this is also trapezoidal region, but in terms of u and v. Now what does Jacobian do with this? So let's take our first graph example. Here our v is going from 1 to 2, right? So v is going from 1 to 2. So this perpendicular distance would be less than this distance. So let's assume this distance as 1 unit. So this perpendicular distance would be less than this specific distance. Now let's come to this graph. So here this v is going from 1 to 2. So here this perpendicular region is only, this perpendicular distance is only of 1 unit. Here this perpendicular distance is less than 1 unit. Less than 1 unit. And here this perpendicular distance is equals to 1 unit. That means in this both graph, this perpendicular distance has increased in this graph. So to make sure that this region is increased, we will add this multiple called Jacobian to our integration, so that we have increased this much of this part. So this is our Jacobian. So now let's find out our Jacobian. So Jacobian is dou u by dou x, dou x by dou u, dou x by dou v, dou x by dou y by dou u, and dou y by dou v. So our x is half of v minus u and y is half of v plus u. Now substituting these values here in this Jacobian, we get it as our Jacobian as minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is our Jacobian. So solving this, we get it as minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 2, and mod of minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So our Jacobian is 1 by 2, and our integration would be 1 to 2 minus v to v cos of u by v du dv. So now first let's integrate this with respect to u. So we get it as 1 to 2 sine of u by v by 1 by v. So taking this upwards, we get it as sine of u by v into v, and our limits are minus v to v. So it would be like and our Jacobian. Yeah. So 1 by 2 into 1 to 2 sine of 1 minus sine of minus 1 into V dV. So now our integration is 1 by 2 and sine of 1 minus of sine of minus 1. That means this minus 1 would come here and it will be plus. So sine 1 plus 1 plus sine of 1 into V. So it will be 2 sine 1 V dV and our limits are 1 to 2. So this 2 cancels. So sine 1 V dV. Now let's integrate this. It would be sine of 1 V square by 2 with limits 1 2. So sine 1 of 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So it is sine 1 of 3 by 2. So our final answer is sine 1 of 3 by 2. So this is our integration function. So this is our integration result.